Highlight the data you want in the chart. Click on Insert then Chart. Move and resize the chart if necessary. If you want a specific column, like Test 2 here, you need to keep the Control key pressed down whilst you select the columns you want. You can move the chart to its own sheet. Click on the three dots and choose Move to Own Sheet. Give the sheet a suitable name. To add a line chart, highlight the data and click Insert then Chart first. Then change the chart type from column chart to line chart. To create a pie chart it's the same. Insert then Chart and then change the chart type to pie chart. Pie charts are very useful to show percentages. However, in the example before with test scores, if they were percentages, a bar chart would still be best. This is because it would be easier to compare the information about the different students. To add data labels, make sure the chart is selected and then in the Customize sidebar look for Series. Tick the box next to Data Labels. Under Vertical Axis you can tick the box to add the axis line if it is not showing.